you. Wilson, come on. You're so easy though. Bubs. I see you. Okay, Collie.
What's this? Go. Probably should have started with the hardest one, it's not the easiest. Well, what? They know what's going on because Emma's in a kennel and you almost put Harley and Wilson in a kennel. So now we have to fight what they already know.
Hey. Well, I got this one this time. Hey, Wilson, no, Hey, you're okay. You and Harley love each other, Wilson. Hey, I know, bud, baby. I know, Wilson. Hey, look at me. Hey. Hey, stop. Wilson. Look at your bed. Hey. Hey. Wilson, stop. You love each other. You two love each other. Hey. Wilson. Jesus Christ. You sound like Emma. Oh, the kitty's ready to go. Minutes in there. I know. Hi guys, so welcome back to the vlog or the channel, whatever. As y'all saw this morning, we put the cats in their cat carriers and took them to the vet. So they'll be boarded for at least a week, or that's what they're scheduled for, but it might be longer. And it makes me really sad to be away from my cats that long, but I think we'll be okay. And as you can tell, I am not at my house, I'm at my dad's house. I'm about to start working since we had to go get the cats boarded and put the last of our stuff from the bedroom into the living room, and the rest of the stuff that we were taking with us we had to put in our cars. And the foundation people are there starting to dig. I was gonna record a before of everything, but there was just too much stuff to do, and then all the workers got there and it was kind of weird. But I have to go back there later on because I think I have packages being delivered today. So go back there and then I will show y'all the progress that's been doing. I mean, y'all seen probably the before since I showed it to y'all the other day. Basically everything is just cleared out at this point and put into the living room. So, and that's my dad's dog, Lady, barking at whoever's walking by. But yeah, that is just a little bit of an update this morning. Harley is in surgery to get fixed, and I don't know how long that typically takes because I haven't been called to say that she's done. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, there's a little bit of an update. Hey guys, so I am finally done almost working. Basically, I just have to do like a few more stuff, but I can do that later. But now we're going to try to make me living at my dad's house probably for the next 2 weeks a little bit more homey. So I'm going to try and like hang up some of my clothes, like the tops that need to be hung up in the closet. I try to move some stuff around and put some stuff, I don't know where, like maybe on this desk or something, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, let's try to make this room a little bit more homey. This was, well, it kind of still is my sister Ashton's room, but she typically mostly lives at my mom's house most of the time, but she still has this room as like somewhere she can go if she needs to. But let's try to make it a little bit more homey for me for the next couple weeks. Okie dokie, so let me show y'all the progress. Trade called me when I was doing some of the stuff. But here is all my electronics and everything. And then the clothes are hung up, and then my like pants and like pajamas are there. And then down there is like my socks and underwear and bras. I put it in the thing that I had my electronics in because there's not drawers in here. And still have all this stuff. This is a package I need to package. That's my like food, and then all of my like Depop stuff. And then the other stuff I brought is this stuff that needs to be posted on Depop. Oh, I have more sweaters right here that probably should be hung up. My heating blanket, and then I have shoes in there, which I'll probably just put in closet. And once this is empty, I'll probably put it in the closet and put my dirty clothes in there. And then all of my like skincare stuff is right there. But yeah, that's the update. I'm trying to get this done before anybody gets home because I don't want them hearing me talk to myself. So I'm trying to hurry up and do this, but we'll see. And then also This thing keeps getting so red, so please ignore it. It's just a pimple. It's life. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, so I made the bed. Obviously it's not gonna stay like this since I'm obviously gonna sleep in it, but just gonna make it for now. And then there's that stuff. There's like a bunch of random stuff being stored in here, so trying to make the best of it. So yeah. Okay, so here's one more update for now, because I think my youngest stepbrother is about to be here, so let me give y'all an update really quickly before he gets here. So I put all of my like where my jewelry is, my body spray and deodorant, hair stuff. I put my coffee machine in here, and then like more skincare stuff, medicine, my skincare, fridge, and then that stuff is still to be determined. And then I put my other stuff right here because it's right next to the mirror, and then obviously my bed and that, and then the closet. I just need to figure out where to put all of my snacks. So yeah, and then like pretty here soon, in like the next 20-30 minutes, I will be going to our house because we unplugged the Wi-Fi, and I went to go check the cameras to see how everything was going, and the cameras were offline, and I forgot they were connected to the Wi-Fi. So me and Trey have to go and figure out where to put that, and then we need to put our trash out, and obviously I need to go get my mail. So yeah, I'll see y'all soon, and I'll also give y'all an update on what's happening there. So yeah, see y'all soon. Okay, so I'm at the house, and apparently they've done a lot of progress, so let me just show y'all. So let me go back over here. So right here, and like they started digging here, 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 and then I guess there's none right here, so there's one there, and then there, and then right here. So this is the kitchen, and then in here, that, and that. So that's my room. And then in Trey's room, they did all that, and then they did that in here. Oh, I didn't realize there was one going to be in here. All right, so there's that. Then if you go to the living room, or in our bedroom, they did that and that, and there's one right there, and then there's none in there. So yeah, and that's only the inside of this room, or the house. So, and like they even done it outside in the front yard. the backyard is looking like a big giant mess. And then there's just holes all the way over there. I'm pretty sure there's more holes on the other side. And there's more holes right there. But I can't really get out there since there's mud everywhere. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back home, but really quickly, let me finish the vlog. I got some Chick-fil-A for dinner, but now I'm home, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching this vlog, and I'll see y'all guys tomorrow maybe, or the next time. But bye guys.